Hi, I'm Joe with GOTRAX, and today we're going to be talking about the XR Ultra electric scooter. The XR Ultra is an entry-level scooter and a really good starting point for anyone looking to get into the electric scooter world. Featuring the classic GOTRAX body style, lightweight and 8-inch shock-absorbing tires makes it great for short commutes. The folding frame is perfect for storing it in an office, in a classroom, under a desk, but what really separates the XR Ultra from our other entry-level scooters is the battery and motor. The XR Ultra uses LG battery cells, the most reliable battery cells in the industry, and a 300-watt motor with peak wattage of 600 watt, making it 20% stronger than the Apex and GXL V2 models. Great for minor hills and quick bursts of speed. The LG battery cells are rated for up to 1,000 cycles, making it great for daily use, but like all electric scooters, expect to replace the brake pads every 500 to 1,000 miles, depending on the usage. Brake pads cost only a few dollars and can be found on the GOTRAX.com parts section. The XR Ultra saves on battery life by requiring you to do a kick to start. Once you reach 1.8 miles per hour, you can then use the throttle. This little kick start improves the battery life by up to 40%. Additionally, there is a cruise control feature. If you hold the throttle down to max speed for 10 seconds, the cruise control engages for a more comfortable ride. You can disengage the cruise control by hitting either the throttle or the brake. The last feature to point out before we start riding is the 8.5-inch tires. The 8.5-inch rubber tires act as a shock absorber. If you run into a flat tire, most likely it is the inner tube that has popped and the tire is probably fine. This model uses 2-inch by 8.5-inch inner tubes. The ones from the factory are pre-slimed to make them last longer. But if you do have to replace it, we have replacement tubes on GOTRAX.com, or you can use any generic 2-inch by 8.5-inch inner tube. Just make sure to choose the one with a long enough air valve to make it easy to pump up. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, please make sure to comment down below. We go through all of our comments daily and we love to hear what you're thinking about the GOTRAX scooters. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.